Step number 1 is going to be to turn your machine on and let it actually get up to temperature. So as you can see at the moment, this machine is cold, and once it heats up, that little green light will turn on. Step number 2, while you're waiting for your machine to heat up, is to actually grind some coffee. So get your handle, once it's finished grinding, I tend to sort of give it a bit of a shake around so that you end up with it reasonably even inside, just below the level that you can see below that little lip. So that's step 2, grind your beans. Step number 3 is to tamp your grind. So we're going to take the Auto-Tamp machine, put the handle with the ground beans underneath it and pull down once. And that's it. That leaves you with a perfectly tamped portafilter of coffee. Once the machine's reached its temperature, so you can see there's a little green light on there, and that's roughly what my dials are looking like. You then actually put your portafilter into the machine and turn it till it's tight. You're then ready to do a pull of coffee, which is to say you take a shot glass, pop it underneath, and this is my first time using this new portafilter, which is called a naked portafilter, so I'm going to film it. But once you've got your portafilter inside the machine, you just simply pull this handle up, so it comes out and then up. Once it's finished, you pull it all the way down, and that's basically it. That's a shot of coffee pulled. So that was 4 steps to making the actual shot. Now I would actually do this first, but again, once your machine's up to temperature, you need to froth your milk. Now I'm going to do this in a glass, just so you can see exactly what's going on, but this process is called expanding the milk. It may be the same on the other machine that you've used, but after emptying out whatever residues in the steam wand, you get the steam wand just above the level of the milk and slowly raise and lower to expand the milk, in other words, make it bigger. Temperature you want it is about 70 degrees C. That's about the maximum as hot as you can get it before it will start to make the milk go a bit funny. I tend to know how much milk to put in without it overflowing, so I end up with the right kind of amount of froth at the end. As I say, this step I would actually do first as opposed to last, because if the coffee sits and gets aerated, it tends not to taste as good. That's it. That's your 5 steps to making a coffee with the Isomac.